The Northeast Petroleum Mazdoor Union (Nepmu) opted to abandon the proposed strike after engaging in talks with officials from the Meghalaya government at the Circuit House in Nongpoh district on the 29th of November 2023. The meeting, spearheaded by the Commissioner and Secretary of the Food and Civil Supplies Department of the Government of Meghalaya, Praveen Bakshi, concluded on a positive note. The Majdoor Union affirmed their decision not to proceed with the planned protest, ensuring an uninterrupted supply of oil to Meghalaya. Praveen Bakshi conveyed the success of the meeting, highlighting the commitment to addressing key issues. Additionally, an investigation is set to be launched into allegations of harassment, oil theft and adulteration along National Highway 6 as reported during the discussions. The collaborative efforts between the Nepmu and government officials aimed to find resolutions and maintain the stability of fuel supply in the region.
On this, to break the deadlock, to find a way out, we had called for this meeting. They said that they would like to meet us in Nongpoh, and therefore we have all come here. So the meeting was very fruitful. In the course of the meeting, many issues were raised with regards to the welfare of the Majdoor Union and all the drivers, handymen. There were issues with regards to the IUCL, BPCL also on how they can give maybe better packages to them to support them. And from the side of the state government, we anyway support that the basic minimum wages and EPF, all those rights which are statutory rights should be given to the Majdoor Union. People in our state do not go for panic buying. First of all, there is no shortage. Enough stock is there, so there is no need for any panic. Number two is that we are working to find a solution. Number three, over the last 2 days, more than what is the normal quota of POL has already reached our state, both in Garo Hills and Khasi Hills. So there is no ground, there is no reason for anybody to be in a state of panic. So we ask all the people of our state also to just wait. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem.
So हम लोग अभी जा रहा है माइनर्स लेके हमारा हेडक्वार्टर में गुवाहाटी, उधर जाके सबसे बात करके पॉजिटिव मैसेज आप लोग का पास आने वाला है, हम बोल के जा रहे हैं। और पैनिक करने का जरूरत नहीं, आप लोग का माने माल खाली करने का अंडरग्राउंड में जगह नहीं है। इतना माल हम लोग लोड करा के रखा था, क्योंकि 2 दिन आगे हम चिट्ठी दिया था ऑल द डीलर्स, इधर डीलर्स से हम लोग पर्सनली फोन करके बोला था आप माल डबल स्टॉक कर लीजिए। इन द मीन टाइम हमारा बख्शी साहब का मैसेज हमको मिल गया, तो इनका मैसेज मिलना मतलब ये लेके 4 टाइम्स मीटिंग हुआ हम लोगों का। ये इशू नहीं है, वेराइटीज इशू लेके और इशू सक्सेस हुआ था, इसीलिए ये इशू नहीं है आज का, और ये ऑटोमेटिकली चलेगा। गैस भी अवेलेबल है, 16 LPG गैस ट्रक आर कमिंग विदिन 10 minutes to your Shillong.
Ni nagalang jungi ka association ka jungi. Nimdon ni ay persya ino ino. Ngilong persya ya kito ki beto. Kamar ka junga, kawangal athit. Napoy sitang lanti don beto. Ngadon ka hok ban complete. Tilek sa kaan. Ay bakaan kan shim action. Kung mga lepkren ka petroleum products, kamtong petrol diesel, kadi ka bakikot kan pring highly flammable explosive substance. Na man subo kum to sini sa tay. Nong kat kum kaan kam siya. Katu kalalong illegal lupa. Sa kijing ito kani katay. Tingim do ni ay persya ay ki driver ki balong innocent, ngim do ni ay persya ay ka Majdoor Union, ngim do ni ay persya yano ino. Kabangi persya kaday ya ki batu, tangbay ya ki batu, ya ki criminals. Day ban pensi tom kat kum ka ay kaan kanya. Ti hadiah nang tu belale ka lapan mi ke press release nang tu tanah kaliang Majdoor Union ngi tu city ki ong bakadon ka jingle jingle bor high handedness kin prank ki ong atrocities ka jingle put lene treasure jong kai police tengi lai kan mentah ni ladakum kata kadon na kaliang jungi ka association ro ngi condemn ye kata, but I can let ka nobody is above the law. ten perengkong mendon bol holo jong ka ai kan lech ka ti hadian ngi la ya kren ba la suk mentalai bek te katu kat ni na kaliang jong mas dur union ki ong ba ki don ke ki bangi ha penya pen bek handiat akabele bat ngi ki try bat ki oil companies kum ka tulop ya ki nong tray jongi nang ta ka bangi julia ke insurance nomor banyak kali kit umpniang golong high risk maka tu kali mo ipi explosive products highly flammable products golong high risk teng kadu stelenti ka kali ki hapan sna simit baka tu kali kanomiang hanti baka di ben poi ba jika pom kum tar te kidon ki incentive ki ban kaliang jong ngiru ngila ong yaki ya kena ingin session na kaliang jongi ki try petrol rangkat kini ka union bat ki transporter ki driver ngin session bat ki ega bangila ban le na kaliang jongi ngi 100% cooperation